got the neck for the Nashville guitar. We got the Nashville guitar, we got it bound. We're going to scrape some binding down. We haven't worked on this guitar in a while, so I want to get this closer for staying. We got to sand the front down, it's still a little uneven. This is the neck off the Nashville. We're going to pull these tuners out. Basically, sand this peg head down, get this sticker off here, get it cleaned up, get the back of the neck sanded down. This sticker here, I think is pretty good. We'll probably just leave that on. Get the neck sanded down, get ready to refinish it, put new stickers on the peg head. I might even stain the peg head to match the body. Haven't decided yet. Clean up this fretboard and see what else happens today. So anyways, got me a putty knife and I turned it into a scraper. Works pretty good. Picked it up for like $3 at the hardware store, and works pretty freaking good. So if you're interested in how I turned a putty knife into a scraper, leave a comment below and maybe I'll make a video about it. It's actually pretty easy. So I got the front of the binding here leveled down, and now I'm just going to come off on the side and level it down to the side of the body here. It's not bad on the side, it's pretty close, but there's some glue that I got to get off of this, and on a couple of spots like right there and like right here, it's just sticking out like a 32nd, 64, it's real small. So I'll go the whole body around the outside, scraping it down. Once we get that done, we'll come back through and start sanding the front, the sides, and the back down and get ready to start staining the spot. So the binding is scraped flush on the sides, nice and smooth. All the glue's gone. Scraped on the front. Still got some glue on the body here, but the front and back hasn't been sanded up at all yet, so we still got to sand that down. We sanded the sides down to 150 grit right now. We'll probably come back through and hit it with 220. We're going to go ahead and pull out the palm sander and sand the front down, probably start with 60 grit, and then once I get it smooth, move up to 150 and then probably 220. Same way with the back, start with 60 grit with the palm sander, get it smooth, move up to 150 and then 220. At that point, we'll be ready to start putting stain on it. What I think I'm going to do is on the front is do the blue stain that I was showing in the other video where I was working with the Rip dye, or the Rip dye, the blue, like a turquoise blue. Then on the back and the sides, I think I'm going to do it like in a walnut or a tobacco or something like that to give it kind of, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm thinking that's what we're going to do with that. Okay. So on this neck, we haven't touched the neck yet at all. And we're going to start working on this here in a minute. Get these tuners off. Get this thing sanded down. Like I said, on the peg head, I'm not sure what we're doing yet. If I'm going to leave it natural or if I'm going to stain it the same as the top of this body. But since we're pulling the sander out, we'll get this thing stripped down. That way we can sand this thing basically down the bare wood here and probably just sand it back with a hand sander and get it smoothed up to be